So our main goal at Skills Ontario, Skills Canada Ontario, is to promote viable career options, viable first choice career options in the trades and technology to youth. And we do that through a variety of our programs. For girls specifically, we do try to reach them through programs like our All Girls Camp. This week we've been here at Conestoga Dune campus, and we also went to Cambridge campus as well. We've gotten to really teach the students about team building and engineering and ingenuity and getting their hands dirty and working together as a team.
Woodworking machines that we have now, which they are specific.
At the beginning of the week, they didn't really know each other, so kids were really shy. They were wanting to work individually, and then throughout the week, as we got through some of the icebreakers and a lot of the team building challenges, they've really come together to help each other. And when one of them was feeling a little bit scared, the others were there to support them. So they've really built their own little community and family throughout the week.
Ready? And I don't know if I can give you 50 tickets. Do you want to be ready yet?
A lot of them said that it was one of the best camps that they've ever gone to. They really like doing those hands-on things, and a lot of them have expressed interest in those careers. There is a very heavy male-dominated culture in the skilled trades, and women have a lot to bring to the table in those aspects, and we need to encourage girls to explore every opportunity that is available for them.